Hello and hi. So we are going to do the part 3, which is we want to configure the database server. We want to put the IP static and private network in the database server to connect to the web server and continue to the firewall server and host PC. So we are going to use the host PC to to put the data and save to the database server. Okay, so let's start. We go to database server. Firstly, we want to look up at the config. As you can see here, I already configure the IP static here, or maybe we can enter EMP0S3. As you can see here, we use the static IP address. We change from DHCP to the static, and IP address we create the new one. Netmask broadcast network, this is our private network and gateway. And then the lastly on book we change to the yes. Yeah. So after that, after we configure the IP address, we can install what we want to use. So firstly, I want to install the HTTP. Okay, I already installed. Next, I want to install the MariaDB. MariaDB server. And then lastly, I want to install PHP MySQL. Okay, I already installed all the I need to install. So we start HTTPD. Enable. After that, we start the MariaDB and we enable MariaDB. Let's see the status MariaDB. Okay, it active and running now. Okay. So what we are going to do, we want to do the database MySQL. We want to create the new one. So configure MySQL. For the first time user, you just press enter to log in to the root, because MariaDB give no password when you are the first enter, and then you can change using the command MySQL secure installation. You can change there the password. Okay, so we continue. Firstly, we want to create the database. With display. Oh, okay. After that, we must create the table. Create table display semicolon. Oh, we not yet enter the enter. So we create the table. ID integer. The last one. Okay, we already installed the table. Next, we are going to insert the data into a table. Insert into user display. User display is our table. Okay, next we must grant all the data. Grant display to admin. Identify okay. As you can see here, we already grant all display to admin. This is our IP address, database IP address, and this is the password admin123. Okay. As you can see here, select from user. Okay. We already have one data. Okay, so we use it now. We go to the web server. What we are going to do, we want to check the upper key in web server. Okay, I will show you. cd var www html. So we have create.html, create.php, index.html, read.php. So we are going to look at index.html. This command it look like our menu. So I will show you. Yeah, it's like this. We show the menu page, so user can click create or read at our D. Okay, so we going back. So we look up at create.php. This is the coding. This is the important one. this is we give access to the database, and it is the username, admin, password, and database display that we create a while ago. So okay, this is the important one. You must look to give access to database. Okay. So we look up at index the create.html. It look like form. We need to input the data. Okay. And lastly, read.php. We want to display our data at uppercase browser. Okay. So after you change whatever you want to change the coding, so you must start the HTTPD. So uppercase will start too. After that, you want to input the data. Before you input, you must bring set sebut. Okay. You must look at get sebut. Grab HTTPD network can. Okay. You must change the HTTPD can network connect DB to on, and also HTTPD can network connect to on. You must change to on. Okay, this is how I do. Set sebut HTTPD can network connect. We put 1, and also connect DB. Okay, let's look. Let's see. Okay, it already on. Okay, now let's clear. After that, we go to the uppercase. Uppercase, we start from create. You can choose read. Wait for to loading. When you click read and create, when you click read, it show our first data that we configure at database. This data that we input, and now we want to input the new one. So we want to input atol. We want to give 5 star and testing 1 2 3. Wait, is loading now. Oh, error. Maybe my connection. Okay, thank you. Your data has been submitted. Okay, let's see if it show up or not. Okay, it show up now. So this is data we input at the form. So maybe we can input again to see the new one. So we put a okay. We with the star. And okay, we input the number here. Okay, thank you. Your data has been submitted. You see? Yeah, it show. Okay, now we go back to our database server. We check if it show up or not. Okay, we go into MySQL, enter, because I have no set password. Use display our database. So we select from user display. Yeah, it show up now. So this data that we enter from the upper key. So it's showing up now, and then okay, now my conclusion is our data, we input data from browser host PC, and we can save. We go to the web server, upper key web server, and then we input the data, and then it save into the database server. So our project now is done, and I can say my project is successfully. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.